Hi everybody and welcome to Food Channel. Today we're going to see the simple future tense. But before we start, let's ask this question. What is the simple future tense? It is used to describe actions or events that will happen in the future. It indicates that something will occur after time of speaking. But how to form the future simple tense? To form the future simple tense, we put the auxiliary verb will, and it will be followed by the base form of the verb. Let's see example number 1. I will go to the party tomorrow. I will go to the party tomorrow. Will is the auxiliary verb and it is followed by the verb go. One more example. She will visit Paris next month. She will visit Paris next month. Will is the auxiliary verb and it is followed by the verb visit. But how to form the negative form for the simple future tense? We simply use not after will. Let's see example number 1. I will not eat this cake. I will not eat this cake. So not is placed just after will. One more example. Kids will go to school on Saturday. Negative form. Kids will not go to school on Saturday. Kids will not go to school on Saturday. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy it. Peace.